Alright, welcome to Smash Garage. I'm here with Sean. You've seen him a few times before.
Hello.
And he has bought himself his first bush basher. I don't know, you might have seen this before, some new car episode or something like that. But
VP welded diff.
yeah,
Like
it's pretty much helped me the whole way along. So yeah, he's going to buy it off me, and so he can come in this year's Bash Fest. So
yeah.
That's exciting because he's pretty much helped me build the whole thing already. So yeah, that's pretty exciting.
Yes, it'll be very exciting.
Hopefully we can do some more mods, make it sound a bit better. I don't know, that's up to him now, but
Twin stacks.
twin stacks at the back.
I
You've heard it here first.
It may happen.
We'll see how that eventuates, but
yeah.
Yeah.
I reckon twin stacks out the back would be pretty cool.
and we ended up finding the finding that water leak too. I don't know if I told you guys, but it had a little bit of a water leak. Yeah, at the back of the engine there was just a little plug thingy that was broken, so Sean's going to fix that and it won't overheat.
Yep.
It didn't overheat anyway, but
No, it didn't
it won't
seem to.
lose any water. Yeah, you'll see this beast again soon, probably not for a couple of months, but eventually it'll be on here and we'll be fanging around this prime paddock out here. It's getting there. And yeah, Sean did a few practice laps today and you'll see that here. Check it out.
Like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act. It's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We are two peas in a pod, two peas in a pod, two peas in a pod, two peas in a pod. That we are two peas in a pod. Now I know why it never worked out before. High low, it would always turn out bad, so bad. But every time we start a fight, we always stop in time. We both know how to be gentle, never cross the line. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Yeah, yeah.
Gonna head home after trying to fix this silly tractor. Been having some problems with it, so been trying to fix that. Taking the mighty Pajero home. Gonna take the red one home as well. The aircon radiator seems to be pushed into the other radiator, so I need to pull that out, buff and polish it, you know, give it the full treatment, and yeah. Again, getting ready for Bash Fest. Only a couple of weeks. Wow.
Few months.
2 months, but only 8 weeks. Will go by quick. Alright, time to hit the road. See you in the next one.